Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about logarithms and exponential functions. I will first be introducing logarithms to all of you. We will answer these two questions. What exactly are logarithms? And how do we convert equations from its index form to its logarithmic form? In order to answer what exactly is a logarithm answers this following question. How many times should we multiply a number to get another number? For instance, how many times should we multiply 2 to get the number 8? As we all know, 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 3, which means in order to get 8, I need to multiply 2 1, 2, 3 times, and therefore the logarithm is 3. To express this in logarithmic language, we simply write the logarithm of 8 with base 2 is 3. The number of times I have to multiply 2 to get 8 is 3. The logarithm of 8 with base 2 is 3. Let's try it with another example. How many times should we multiply 3 to get 81? 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 to the power of 4. Since I have to multiply 3 4 times, the logarithm is 4. To express this in logarithmic language, we simply write the logarithm, or the number of times I have to multiply 3 to get 81 is 4. Or in other words, logarithm of 81 with base 3 is 4. Let's try this with another example. What happens if now the number of times I have to multiply the base is negative? For instance, how many times should I multiply 5 to get 1/5? Now you know from indices that 1/5 is 5 to the power of negative 1, which means that I have to multiply 5 negative 1 times, which means that the logarithm is negative 1. So to express this in logarithm language, we simply write the logarithm of 1/5 with the base 5 is negative 1. The logarithm of 1/5 with base 5 is negative 1. So I've shown you these 3 examples of how they can be converted into logarithmic language. What about this number? A cubed is equals to 10. How would you convert this into logarithmic language? Pause this video for a while and figure it out. Now as you can see, I have to multiply a 3 times to get 10. Therefore, the logarithm with base a of 10 is actually equals to 3. I have to multiply a 3 times in order to get 10. So, to summarize, to convert an index equation to a logarithmic equation, given an index equation, I can see from this equation that in order to get y, I need to multiply a x times. Therefore, the logarithm will be equals to x. As you can see here, the logarithm of the number y with base a is always equals to x. Let me show you a way to remember this. As you can see, the base is always at the bottom. The power is always at the top. Base at bottom, power on top. I hope this helps you to remember how to convert an index equation to logarithm equation and vice versa. Thank you.